Hello once again, BrickForge fans. Today I'm going to show you how to turn one of our BrickForge single-bladed laser swords into a double-bladed BrickForge laser sword. It's not that complicated. It doesn't use very many tools, and you just need a set of steady hands. To start off, the first thing you need to do is buy two of the same type of BrickForge laser sword. We have the Space Knight style, and we also have an Evil Apprentice style. The second thing you're going to want to do is pick up a few of our laser beams or our pulse ray pieces that would fit in the handle of the laser sword. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut just below the grip point here and cut that whole end off. So we're going to use our cutting board, and we're just going to cut through it like so. And then we're going to do the same with the other half. Alright, and then the end's going to have a little bit of residue, and we're going to just use our X-Acto knife to trim that off. And I'm going to don't take too much off, but I'm going to just take a little bit of that excess plastic off right here and make sure that the surface is as flat as possible. And if you want to, you can get a piece of sandpaper and just very lightly flatten that off and rough it up a little bit so our adhesive can stick to it. I suppose it could look pretty funny if you did something like that, but maybe you could do that if you wanted to create a interesting type of space gun. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on a apparatus here, and as you can see, I already have a darker color, two halves together on this apparatus, and we're going to use a new type of adhesive that I just bought. It's called BlueFix. And it uses a liquid adhesive and a curing agent, which in this case is a light, to affix two pieces of plastic or other material together. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply the adhesive to one side of one half that we've already cut, and then we're going to place that right next to the other one again, and we're just going to make sure it's straight from as many angles as possible because you don't want it to end up crooked. And we're going to go ahead and just use a paper towel to dab up a little of the excess on the sides, because when it does harden it could make it very difficult to grip, and we're going to make sure that's nice and secure and pushed together as best as possible. And then we're going to go ahead and activate the light and cure it. And they say you should hold it about a ½ inch away, anywhere from 3 to 10 seconds. And so we're going to just kind of rotate the pen around. And we'll get one from the bottom. And you'll notice a very interesting glue type smell. That means it's curing. And we'll just do it a few more times just to make sure it's hardened. And so far my experience with the BlueFix is better than Crazy Glue, especially for small parts like this. It's a lot less messy as well. You don't get super glue all over your fingertips, and you're not accidentally gluing your supplies together. And that should do it. And we're going to remove the newly crafted double-bladed laser sword from the apparatus. And I have picked out blue laser beams to go on either side. And then all you need is a brave Jedi or an evil Sith Lord to wield it. I guess whoever's brave enough. And that's how you create a double-bladed laser sword out of a BrickForge laser sword with the help of some of our laser beams and pulse rays. I hope you found this quick tutorial fun and interesting. If you did, like it and comment below. Thank you.